Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to remove your address from Mailchimp footer. This is Mailchimp.com, and first I will log in into my account. Now, when you are creating your campaign, let's go with a regular campaign. When you are in the design email step, from this campaign builder page, scroll down to the bottom, click on this template and just remove this part. Our mailing address is and this code. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Just like that, and hit this save and close button. After that, your email will be sent without your address in this footer part. And this is how to remove your address from your Mailchimp footer. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.